Hello, hi YouTube, this is Joe from the Yogis, and today, as I think you'll see from the title of this video, ugh, that happened. Ugh, look at that. Look at that. Press the button in front of the camera. Ugh, cold that. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, I wonder how long I can hold it down without getting. Oh no, that's just leaked. It wasn't that bad earlier. So it's good to this laugh. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you want me to do any challenges, like anything stupid, leave a comment below. Or if I have a Twitch or Facebook account by this point, you can leave one on there. Yeah, that's the thing. Anyway, thanks for watching and goodbye.